Hello, welcome to another do-it-yourself video with the DIY Diva and this guy.
Tankmanjoe, the great tank. Let's go!
Anyway, this is a Tasty Finds video, and we are going to taste something that we saw at Trader Joe's, which are these cashew butter cashews.
Yes, I picked them up. They look good, but cashew with cashew. I mean, cashews are great, right? But cashew with extra cashew and cashew butter. Never tasted this before. Interesting to see how it tastes combined, right? Yeah.
Cashew on cashew delights. All right, so it says here, honey roasted cashews covered in a sweetened cashew butter coating. I'm getting a little thick throat here.
Sounds good to me.
It says here KSA dairy. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what that means. I probably should have looked it up, but anyway. This is 8 servings in here. 8 servings, 8 ounces, 8 servings. So 1 ounce is a serving, which is 1/4 of a cup. 160 calories. Here are the nutritional facts. You hit pause, take a look at that, see if this is something that you can eat. Here we go, let's get started.
Whoa! Yo guys, look at what just happened. I'm super strong, aren't I? Oh, let's get into these. Dynamic DIY Diva, you ready to taste these?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. These are going to be flames.
Yeah, it's gonna flame out, burn out. Okay, look, it's a regular cashew and
No.
snap it open. Look inside, you can see. He was looking
cashew.
He was looking forward to this. He was looking forward to eating these. Let's try it. Full disclosure, I love cashews also. Maybe not my favorite nut, but I do love them. Oh, look at this big one right here. What's up with the orange? Oh, okay. Let's get to our review. Okay, Tank. Get serious now. You could go first. Again. What say you for these cashew butter cashews?
Yeah.
I have one critique, but
I like to call myself a cashew connoisseur, right? I like cashews. Tried many different types of cashews, but these cashews, they're actually kind of good. I give them a 3 out of 4. Well, first, 1 meaning bad, 4 meaning good, right? 1 meaning you'll go to the store, you won't look in this direction, you wouldn't even want to walk past, right? 4 meaning, yes,
That's
let me
fair.
walk past them, these are good, let me get the whole collection. 3 meaning, they're good, but not great. Difference. The flavor that they have on it, kind of vanilla taste, in my opinion.
yeah, it says vanilla flavor, yeah.
Well, yeah, right. Kind of vanilla, right? But you don't get that taste at first. At first, it has no taste, and then later, you get the taste.
Yeah.
That's kind of strange. 3 out of 4. How about you, Dynamic DIY Diva?
Well, I'm glad you asked. It's not bad. The only problem I have, and I'm going to tell you, first when I crunch into this, right? You're going through, just like anything like I guess I'm dating myself. Anyway, like yogurt covered things, you know, chocolate covered, carob covered. you got to get through what's on round it before you get to what's inside, what you probably really like. And the actual coating is not bad. It's salty. And I think I'm salt sensitive because these taste heck of salty to me.
I didn't taste any salt.
And as I'm looking at the back, it has 100 milligrams of sodium, which is 4% of your daily intake. I don't know if you could see that information there, but and I don't know, I could just taste the salt. And I think also with that honey roasted flavoring on the nut itself, I think that also adds to the kind of salty taste to it. So I give it on a scale of 1 to 4. 4. I'm gonna have to step back and give it a 3. A 3 for taste. Yes, it's a good taste. I will not shun it. I will not go out of my way to buy it. But
if they fall into the cart and somehow, oh, guess I can't get rid of it, you wouldn't be mad. Right?
Okay, that's true. I won't get mad. And I'll probably just kind of watch it when I eat it, meaning if I could taste the salt, that must mean the salt content is a little high. So that's what I have. I have a 3. You have a 3.
Yeah.
So I think that is it for us.
It is. If you like this video, slam a like and subscribe. Subscribe means you're part of the orange squad. Liking means you're part of the apple squad. Right? Dislike on the video, you're part of the rotten potato squad.
Are you getting the impression that I have like produce over here, like fruit, vegetables, just sitting here? Because you could just easily just grab and show it to you, right? Yeah. Anyway, so that's it for these cashew butter cashews. I'm interested though, if you by any chance are a person who, okay, that came out wrong. Anyway, if you are someone, that's better. If you are someone who prefers butters that are not peanut butter, but like almond butter, cashew butter, whatever, drop a comment down below because I'm curious, because I'm seeing a lot more of these alternative butters on the market. That's it for us. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and until next time.